The valley of Elah stood between two mighty armies. The Philistines roared in defiance, ready to crush God's people. Israel trembled in fear, heart shaken by the giant's threats. From the Philistines came a giant. His voice thundered, his armor gleamed. He defied the living God. But God chose a shepherd boy. No sword, no shield, only a sling and unshakable faith. The stone flew, heaven guided it, and the giant fell to the ground. That day the Lord gave victory to Israel, and today he gives victory to you. With God, no enemy is too great.